Fruits are excellent. You must know how to pair them. It's a smart way of pairing the fruits for the right blood sugar spike, and it's all backed by science. And I've tested over hundreds of food on me. I'll share the real feedback how the food is impacting your blood sugar. So let's start with number one is banana. One medium banana gives me 35 to 50 milligram per deciliter spike. Never blend it alone. It is going to give you massive blood sugar spike. And the smart pairing is with the peanut butter, or if you're using in the smoothies, add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, basil seeds, and you can reduce the blood sugar spike up to 30 to 50%. Number 2 on my list is mango. Well, one medium mango gives usually 40 to 60 milligram per deciliter of blood sugar spike very easily. You can pair it nicely with the Greek yogurt. Epigamia Greek yogurt is excellent. It is high in protein, plus it also reduces the blood sugar spike. And one more pro tip, you can actually sprinkle couple of almonds or walnuts, pistachios, whatever the nuts you like. Just sprinkle over it is going to reduce the blood sugar spike up to 35 to 50%. So try it. Don't start your meal with the fruits. Eat it at the end or pair it smartly to reduce the blood sugar spike. Next is watermelon. Use it as a pre-workout fruit. When I eat approximately 200 to 300 grams of watermelon, it gives a massive blood sugar spike up to 60 milligram per deciliter. I usually go for a walk the moment I eat watermelon. If you add 1 or 2 tablespoons roasted pumpkin seeds over it, the blood sugar spike will be less, up to 25 to 40%. It's high GI, low carb, but don't juice it. That doesn't go really well. Juicing gives a massive blood sugar spike, so avoid it. Next is lychee. Is very tasty, but it's a sugar bomb. 6 to 8 pieces are going to give you 35 to 45 milligram per deciliter spike. Again, if you pair it with the Greek yogurt or whey protein isolate, you can reduce the blood sugar spike up to 25 to 30% very easily. Next is papaya. It is loaded with digestive enzymes. 200 grams of papaya usually going to give you 125 milligram per deciliter spike. You can pair it with a nice coconut cream. Scoop out the coconut malai, and you can mix papaya with 2 to 3 tablespoons of chia seeds to blend the blood sugar spike. It is excellent fruit for your digestion. Next is pomegranate. Pomegranate is a powerful food because it comes with a seed, and seed has got the fiber. 100 grams of pomegranate are going to give you 20 to 30 milligram of blood sugar spike. You can reduce the blood sugar spike up to 30 to 40% very easily by pairing it with the Greek yogurt and chia seeds. That's what I call the smart pairing. Next is cherries. Yeah, 10 to 12 pieces of cherries. Once you deseed them, the blood sugar spike is 20 to 30 milligram per deciliter, and you pair it with walnuts or flax seeds. It's good. The blood sugar spike will come down up to 25 to 40% less. Next is muskmelon. Usually up to 200 grams of muskmelon gives you 25 to 35 milligram of blood sugar spike, which is genuine. We always try to keep the blood sugar spike under 30 milligram per deciliter. So muskmelon can be paired with chia seeds or flax seeds. The blood sugar spike will come down up to 30% very easily, and do not mix it with the milk. That's a very bad combination. Next is amla. Amla is a super berry, almost no blood sugar spike, 5 to 10 milligram of blood sugar spike. Steam your amlas, create the achar out of it or create the jam out of it. You can use honey along with it in the limitation, and always look for the darkest color of honey. This is one of the superfood that controls your blood sugar. It is all backed by science. Next is kiwi. Kiwi is a sleep promoting food. So one kiwi is going to give you 15 to 20 milligram per deciliter spike. The pro tip is wash it, then eat it with the skin. Skin has got fiber. You can reduce the blood sugar spike up to 25%, or you pair it with almond milk or Greek yogurt. Next is dragon fruit. It is very popular nowadays, and it's very tasty, not very sweet also. Just gives you the blood sugar spike of 20 to 30 milligram per deciliter if you just eat one dragon fruit. Along with it, I use the Epigamia Greek yogurt, and that goes very well. Blood sugar spike is 30 to 45% less. Next is guava. It is excellent. It is loaded with vitamin C. 5 to 50 milligram per deciliter spike. They are very diabetic friendly fruit. Next is apple. One is green apple, one is red apple. So if I speak about the red apple, the blood sugar spike is usually 20 to 30 milligram per deciliter. The moment I eat green apple with skin, the blood sugar spike is just half. It's just 10 to 20 milligram per deciliter. Green apple are always diabetic friendly. Both the fruit has got the pectin. Pectin is basically fiber. It supports the gut health, and it also improves the cholesterol level. So both the fruits are excellent, and pair it with the cinnamon or peanut butter, especially if you're eating the red apple. But for the green apple, it's absolutely safe. So blood sugar smart hacks. Try to eat fruit after the meals. Number 2, pair it with the fat, protein, whey protein isolate, and you can use Greek yogurt, nuts and seeds. Number 3, no juicing. Avoid it. It becomes a sugar bomb, and market bought juices are disaster. Next is walk after every meal. 10 to 15 minutes of walk is going to blunt the blood sugar spike up to 40 milligram per deciliter. Which fruit spikes you the most? Comment below, and I'll show you the best pairing so that you can become a stronger, sharper version of yourself. If you're diabetic, just eat in the moderation, and always use these smart hacks to have the minimum blood sugar spike. It's all backed by science nowadays. You can test it on yourself. Enjoy. and eat fruit in moderation. Ciao.